How to log out of your Among Us account on Android. If you don't see a logout option inside the game, you can clear the app's stored data to sign out. Find the Among Us icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap and hold the Among Us icon. From the menu that appears, tap App Info. On the App Info page, look at the bottom right corner. Tap Clear Data. Next, tap Clear All Data. A confirmation message will appear, warning you that the app's stored data will be removed. Tap OK to confirm. Once the data is cleared, the locally stored login information will be removed. Now, open Among Us again. You should no longer be signed in, and you can log in with the account you want to use. Keep in mind that clearing all app data can also remove other locally stored app settings or data, so make sure you understand what will be reset before confirming. And that's how you can log out of your Among Us account on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.